Miranda here from Los Angeles, California. It's week 2 for appetizers. And I'm making something special for you. I am making a cream cheese and pear chutney triangle appetizer. It's puff pastry. It has our star ingredient, Philadelphia cream cheese. You're gonna love it. The first step is to make the pear chutney. So I have 1 can of Bartlett pears, and if pears are in season, you could use fresh pears, just make sure they're really ripe. And peel them first, chop them up. Here I have 1 can. To that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and then here I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of red pepper chili flakes, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of ground pepper, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and half a teaspoon of ground ginger. This all just gets thrown right in. You're going to mix this all together while you use a fork, and you're going to crush up the pears. You want it to be somewhat chunky, not a complete puree. You want to make sure to get all those ingredients incorporated. Using the back of your fork, I find, is the best technique for this. You want to let all these ingredients macerate together for about half an hour. There. That looks perfect. It's time now to make the triangles. I bought these puff pastry sheets at the supermarket. They come in these great little squares. I'm going to cut it in half one way and cut it in half again. Now you're going to have 4 little triangles out of that 1 square. I'm going to take 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of the Philadelphia cream cheese, and the same amount of the pear chutney. Try to leave the juice behind. Then with a pastry brush and just a tiny bit of water, acting as a glue, fold over your triangle and crimp it with a fork. Continue until you use all your ingredients, and then bake in the oven for 25 minutes. What you're left with is an amazing appetizer that your entire family will love. They're done. They look delicious. Take them off the tray, put them onto your serving platter. Now these are fantastic served warm, but just as good served cold. There you have it. A delicious Philadelphia cream cheese and pear chutney triangle. It's the best appetizer you've ever tried. I hope you enjoy it. See you soon!